In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and customize business health scorecards in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your scorecards, how to interpret the key numbers, and how to tailor the view so it matches what matters most to your business. First, log into Xero and head into the organization you want to review. Once you're in, look to the main menu and click Reporting. This is your hub for insights and analysis. From there, select Business Health Scorecards. Xero will open a focused dashboard designed to summarize overall performance and financial health at a glance. Start by reviewing the Business Health Overview. This section brings together high-level indicators so you can quickly spot strengths and areas to watch. Next, check the Business Health Score. Think of this as a composite snapshot. It weighs a handful of core metrics to express overall health. Use it as a pulse check rather than an absolute grade. If the score moves, it's a signal to dig into the components and understand what changed. Scroll to the Net Profit Summary. Here you'll see how much your business is retaining after expenses. Pay attention to trends, not just a single month. A rising net profit can reflect stronger pricing, better cost control, or seasonality, while dips may point to timing differences or areas needing attention. Now, analyze the current ratio results. This ratio compares current assets to current liabilities, giving you a sense of short-term liquidity. Generally, a higher ratio suggests more breathing room to cover upcoming bills. Keep your business model in mind. Inventory-heavy operations, for example, may show different patterns than service-based firms. If you want to expand what's shown, click Add Row to add scorecard metrics. You can bring in additional measures that help round out the picture, such as revenue trends or cash flow indicators, so the scorecard reflects the way you manage the business. To fine-tune comparisons, change the reporting comparison settings. Switch between prior period or prior year to see seasonality and growth more clearly. Then select the reporting frequency, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, so the cadence matches how you review results. Choose the reporting month and year to anchor the analysis around the period you care about. If needed, apply filters to narrow the view. Filters help you isolate specific segments so your conclusions are precise. With your layout set, review the profitability and performance metrics in context. Look for consistent patterns, unexpected spikes, or gradual shifts that warrant a deeper look. Finally, click Export to download the scorecard report. Save it for your files or share it with your team so everyone stays